So we're heading out today to go look at a few apartments, and the dogs are going crazy because that's how they are. But we're also gonna hang out at the park and just see what we can get done today. It's a Saturday, so let's go have some fun. Come on now. If you can't jump up there, it's not our fault. So Crave is a breakfast and brunch kind of place, and you call button that you press.
And they have camel milk. Where'd you come out of?
Just went exploring. Up we go, up we go, up and now we go. Oh my god, I don't know if I can.
Oh my god.
Where is it? Can I zoom on it? Yeah. Trying to zoom on it. Trying not to get lost. The simplest of trails shouldn't be getting lost. Got lost. Alright, let's walk back. Who's in your house? Immediately feel like you're out in nature, exploring the forests with big spiders falling from the sky. That's like the third big ass old weaver spider I've seen in East Africa in the last year. Damn. Nini hapo nyuma. Oh man. Jeez. Oh my god. I saw these videos on YouTube of caving. I always thought maybe we could go. You wanna go? There's one there, up there, out by now.
You're going in there.
I can't fit. Okay, done with the Ololua Trail. That was pretty cool, like an hour's worth of activity. And now we're gonna go look for some coffee. Well, but yeah, it should be fun.